Can you think of a day in your life which goes without problem solving? Answer to this question is, of course, no. In our life we are bound to solve problems. In our day-to-day activities such as purchasing something from a general store and making payments, depositing fee in school, or withdrawing money from bank account. All these activities involve some kind of problem solving. It can be said that whatever activity a human being or machine do for achieving a specified objective comes under problem solving. Algorithm can be defined as a sequence of activities to be processed for getting desired output from a given input. Wikipedia defines an algorithm as a formula or set of steps for solving a particular problem. To be an algorithm, a set of rules must be unambiguous and have a clear stopping point. There may be more than one way to solve a problem, so there may be more than one algorithm for a problem. Now, if we take definition of algorithm as a sequence of activities to be processed for getting desired output from a given input, then we can say that 1. Getting specified output is essential after algorithm is executed. 2. One will get output only if algorithm stops after finite time. 3. Activities in an algorithm to be clearly defined, in other words, for it to be unambiguous. Example of algorithm. Find the area of a circle of radius r. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read the radius of a circle. Step 3. Calculate the area of a circle, area equal to pi r square. Step 4. Print area. Step 5. End. Find the greater number between two numbers. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read A and B. Step 3. If A is greater than B, then C equals A. Step 4. If B is greater than A, then C equals B. Step 5. Print C. Step 6. End. The flowchart is a diagram which visually presents the flow of data through processing systems. This means by seeing a flowchart one can know the operations performed and the sequence of these operations in a system. Algorithms are nothing but sequence of steps for solving problems. So a flowchart can be used for representing an algorithm. A flowchart will describe the operations, and in what sequence, are required to solve a given problem. You can see a flowchart as a blueprint of a design you have made for solving a problem. There are 6 basic symbols commonly used in the flowcharting of assembly language programs: terminal, process, input-output, decision, connector, and predefined process. Example of flowchart. Find the area of a circle of radius r. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read the radius of a circle r. Step 3. Calculate the area of the circle. Step 4. Print the area. Step 5. End. Find the greater number between two numbers. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read the number 1 and number 2. Step 3. If the number 1 is greater than number 2, then set r is equal to number 1. Step 4. If the number 2 is greater than the number 1, then set r is equal to the number 2. Step 5. Print r. Step 6. End.